Hello everybody. In this tutorial, we will study how to install Cygwin on top of your Windows machine. Cygwin is a virtual machine software to provide a Linux environment on Windows operating system. Now let's see how to start the installation. If you have my CD provided in class, simply go to the CD or DVD drive. And then you will see a file called Setup. Double-click Setup. Click Next. You have three options. Install from Internet, download without installing, or install from local directory. Click Install from local directory because the installation file is provided on the CD or DVD. Click Next. Then you will select a root directory. Root directory means the file you want, the location you want to put your file in. Keep default. Next, it will let you select the source package directory. This is the location of your DVD where the folder containing the installation files. Keep default. Click Next. Then you will start installation.